Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to change font size in Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. Then having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on these three dots, and then come down below right there, click on settings. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to appearance. Then under the appearance right here, you can simply scroll down all the way down, and make sure you go to font size right here. Then you have to come here, click on recommended, smaller, so large, very large. So I'm going to put it in large. You can see when I put it in large, the font size increased. If you take it back to small, you see the font is small. And then if I take it back to very large, you can see I was able to read very large font size. This depends on how you want it. Then if I switch back to medium, which is recommended, it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your font size in Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.